All right, let's look at adding a scroll bar in Adobe Animate. All right, first thing we'll do is select our text tool button and click on the stage, and we'll go ahead and just type some dummy text. Okay. And the next thing we want to do is we want to make sure that this is dynamic text. We'll add a little bit more. Okay, now we have our text here, and it's dynamic, and now we want to make sure your selection tool is selected, and then right click on the box, and you should see scrollable down here. Now if it's static, the scrollable will be grayed out, so make sure this is dynamic, and then click scrollable, and then make sure you go onto your selection tool and you can shorten the box up, and that will get rid of the text. And this is a way of the text is disappearing, and our scroll bar is going to allow us to scroll through the text. Okay, so let's give our box a border. That way when we look at it on the screen, when we test it, we can see where the box is. Let's also maybe move the margins in so it's not so close up to the edge. Okay. Okay, now we will go into our window components, and let's scroll down here to the bottom where there's called a UI scroll bar, and we're going to click and drag and put that inside of our box. Okay, now let's do a control test, and we have our UI scroll bar that works, except it's kind of in the middle of our box. Now that we've put it inside, now that it knows that it's there, now we'll kind of maybe move it over. Let's maybe move our text a little bit larger, maybe like say to here. Let's try making our a little bit bigger, maybe closer to the same size, and I'm using the free transform tool for this. And we'll test that, and then we can do something like that. And that's it for this one.